Well, hey guys, we are back and we're working on the plate presentation. The mozzarella roulade is cooled, hopefully thoroughly. So we're gonna slice the mozzarella. We're gonna saute a little bit of shrimp to go with this dish. And if the smoke alarm goes off like it did last week, that means it's done, okay? So right now we got a little bit of olive oil, we have garlic, a little bit of red pepper, and we're going to let that cook for a few seconds while we come back to the plate. So we have the Italian Parmesan and peppercorn French bread, or Italian bread, excuse me, that we made yesterday. We're going to do a little tomato basil garnish in the middle. That'll be like a surprise for everyone that eats this dish. And then the mozzarella roulade, doesn't that look beautiful? So we're going to unwrap it out of the foil. And again, the beauty of this fresh mozzarella curd is there's no preservatives. All there is the cheese flavor. So we're going to cut 3 of these guys, just like so. And then one for everybody to snack on as we're cooking the rest of the shrimp. So again, back to while the shrimp is cooking, let's talk about the mozzarella roulade a little bit and cooking that mozzarella. So the mozzarella is, you boil water, a little bit of salt and pepper into that, and as soon as you put the curd in, it's all the same size. You want to make sure that you don't stir it that much. Look at that shrimp. That looks good. So you break down all the curd and all the proteins in the cheese. So we have shrimp, peppers, garlic. So in this board right here, we're going to have a little bit of chopped, homegrown Vidalia onion that's going to go into the dish. Also right here is, I went harvesting the garden a little bit. We have a green onion flower, arugula, and oregano. And you know, when we planned this dish, it was basically what could the garden give us, kind of thing. So the shrimp is almost done. We got a great presentation. We're going to probably put a little bit of onion here. The shrimp's going to go in the middle. Look at the color in that shrimp. It's good, 145 degrees. Like so. Voila. A little bit of basil sprig. And then also we have garlic. You can spread that on if you want. With this mixture, it's honey and balsamic. Equal parts of both, but there's a little bit of crushed pepper. And we're going to drizzle this honey and balsamic over the mozzarella curd. Guys, thank you very much. Happy cooking.